So students, I gave you today the questions which was related to RS Agarwal, and I can tell you this is one of the important question also. Now the question which was given by me was subtract the sum of minus 34 and minus 75 one side, and another side it is written that you have to subtract from. So from aa gaya beta middle mein. Then it is written what you have to take the sum. It's 90 and this side you have minus 80. So now the question has again 3 steps. If you remember this type of question, we have also done it before. Simple question. First of all, you will solve this two. You are knowing you have to take the sum. So it will be 34 and minus 75. So when you will add these two, 5, 4, it will give you 9. 7, 3, it will give you 10. So you will have minus 110 because you have both the numbers as the same signed numbers. So both will be added together. So now minus 109 will come. On the second side, again you have the same kind of number, minus 90, minus 80. So both are again same signed. So they will be added together. So when they will be added together, you will get it 170. Okay. Now the question is telling, अगर आपका बेटा यहाँ तक सही है, it means 2 marks you have got. If your answer is here, till here it is correct, it means you have got 2 marks. Now last step is only left. It is telling you have to subtract this from this. So first of all, which number will come? Minus 170. Now you have to subtract. So the sign will be of subtraction. Then you have to subtract minus 109. So I will put the sign of bracket because there will be 2 negative signs and 2 negative signs cannot be written together. So I have written this. Now just open the bracket. When you will open the bracket, minus 170 will remain like that only. This minus will make this minus as plus and the number will become minus 109 only. Now the last step, one number is positive, one number is negative. Simply you have to subtract and the answer will be 61 as a number and here the sign will be of negative. So minus 61 will be the answer for this particular question. So dear students, right now we are starting the topic homage, which is of chapter integer. And you know the chapter integer is a very interesting chapter. Only you should know about the numbers, very short numbers you have dealt with, and you must be knowing, only you should learn the concept of negative positive. Otherwise the rest of the whole processes are easy. Only the main things are that if you have two same signs, they will be added. If you have two different signs, they will be subtracted. Just a simple thing. अगर आपको पता है कि अगर आपके पास कोई आपके जैसा बिहेव करने वाला बच्चा आता है तो आप उससे तुरंत फ्रेंडशिप करते हो, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर आपको अपना ऑपोजिट पर्सन दिखता है, जैसे आप बहुत शांत बच्चे हो और अगर कोई दूसरा आता है जो बहुत लड़ाई वाला है, तो बट ऑब्वियस आप दोनों के बीच में फ्रेंडशिप नहीं होती है तुरंत, है ना। तो दैट इज लड़ाई हो जाती है। तो लड़ाई का मतलब यहाँ पर इन द सेंस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. And if you are of the same nature kind of person, then you become friends, and that friends means you are talking about addition. Okay, so always remember, if you have two same sign coming together, you will be adding. If you have two different sign coming together, will subtract each other. And always remember, answer में बेटा हमेशा बड़े नंबर का ही साइन आता है. That is all about integer. उसके अलावा इस चैप्टर इंटीजर में और कुछ बहुत बड़ा नहीं है समझने के लिए. Okay, now let's try some questions which are very interesting and the pattern we have already studied. So question number 1 from classwork portion is, beta I am not writing the questions right now because questions I have already posted on your group right now. Question number 1 says you have to add minus 52 to 60. Okay, after adding you have to subtract minus 8 from the result. So minus 8
ma'am, question is not, ma'am, you are writing,
you have to subtract minus 8 from the result. Okay, so सबसे पहले what we'll do, सबसे पहले we'll add these two. So you are knowing if you have minus 52 and 60 coming together, you are knowing both are different signs. So if you are having both are different sign, they will subtract each other and the number will come positive 8. Okay, or you can only write it down 8 or you can write it down positive 8. Now it is telling in the next step, you have to subtract minus 8 from the result. Now this is our result beta. Now you have to subtract minus 8. तो सबसे पहले आपने लिखा subtract, then you have to subtract minus 8 from 8. So minus 8 again a negative number, so दो negative आ जाएंगे. So दो negative एक साथ नहीं लिखे जाते बेटा. So that is why we are putting the sign of bracket here. Now we will open the bracket as the process of subtraction. What we will do? 8 will be written 8 only. This negative will make this negative as a positive one. Okay. And 8 will come like 8 only. Now 8 answer will come 16. Now this is the complete solution. So question number 2 we are discussing. Beta, the question number 2 it is telling you have to subtract. Now what to subtract? You have to subtract the sum of minus 250 and 138. Okay. Then from what? From again the sum of 136 and minus 272. So students who have understood this process can do the question along with me. Okay, let's try. It is telling the first step you have to take the sum of. So सबसे पहले बेटा it's 250. I have written it here. Sum means plus and it's 138. Now you are knowing one positive number, one negative number, both are different sign. Different sign will subtract each other. So बेटा जब आप subtract करोगे, so 8 10 में से 8 गया बचा 2, 4 में से 3 गया बचा 1, and here it will be 2 में से 1 गया 1. So it will give you minus 112. So first step is giving us minus 112. Now move on to the next step. It is telling the sum of 136 and minus 272. Now again we have two different sign and you are knowing two different sign coming together will subtract each other. When they will subtract each other, what will be the answer? Let's see now. If you can see here beta, 2 में से 6 तो जाएगा नहीं, so it will be 12. 12 में से 6 जाएगा बचेगा 6. Now this will be 6. 6 में से 3 जाएगा बचेगा 3. 2 में से 1 जाएगा बचेगा 1. And this is the sign of negative because it's a greater number, so the sign will be of difference of will be of negative sign only. So the number will be minus 136. Okay. Now move on to the last process. The question is telling आपको ये subtract करना है इससे. It is written here from. So now I'll write it down the sign of this, and now we will take minus 136 first number पे because it is telling you have to subtract from this. तो पहले क्या आएगा? Then subtract करना है, so it will be the sign of negative. Now subtract करना क्या है? Minus 112 को, so it will come like this. And simply now you will open the bracket as we do it in all the questions. So 136 will remain like this only. Minus will make this minus as positive, and this 112 will be 112 only. Now simple आपको subtract करना है बेटा. Subtract करने के बाद answer is coming 24. 136 is a greater number, so the sign will be of negative only. So the answer will come minus 24. So dear kids, dear kids, as I have already given you the question, let's match it now that what answer we'll get it. As you all can see in this question, you will have all the kind of integers. Some are positive, some are negative. तो बेटा जब भी आपको इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन मिलता है in which there are many type of questions, so what will you do? Always take all the negative one side, all the positive one side. So we will also do the same process. -8 सारे फ्रेंड्स को हम एक साथ कर देंगे, ठीक है. -8 will come with -32, -17 and -63. सारे के सारे फ्रेंड्स एक साथ होगा. सारे naughty kids are coming together and only one polite student is also here, that is +23. ये तो अकेला फंस गया बेचारा, ठीक है. ये लोग उसको बेचारे को मार के भगा देंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, सारे नेगेटिव विल कम टुगेदर एंड दे विल मेक अ फ्रेंडशिप. So what we will have it now, -8 and 32 will add together, will give you -40. And here also -17 and 63. 66 and 1 7 हो जाएगा 80. Answer will come -80 here. And this is +23 which we will not touch now. ठीक है, पहले हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं नेगेटिव वाले को. Now you can see here -40 -80 will come together, will give you -120. And this is only 23. Now simply you will solve it, which will give us the answer -97. So our answer is -97 in total. So the next question is fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, the first one is the sum of two negative integers is always, it will be always negative only. When you add two negative integers, the answer will always be negative. Second is which one is the smallest positive integer. So always remember 1 is the smallest positive integer, because before 1 you get 0 and 0 is neither positive nor negative. So that is why the answer will be 1. Question number C. Sum of an integer and its negative is always 0 beta. For example, if you add 5 with -5, the answer will always be 0. So when you add 5 and -5, the answer will be 0. So this fill in the blanks will give you 0 as the answer. Now fourth one, all negative integers are less than every. Now it will be coming positive numbers. Always remember each and every negative integers will be less than every positive integer beta. Now move on to the last one. Fourth integer on the right of -4 on the number line. Now in spite this question is of number line beta, तो आप इस क्वेश्चन के लिए नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप डायरेक्ट आंसर भी लिख सकते हो. दैट विल बी फोर्थ इंटीजर ऑन द राइट ऑफ 4. राइट मतलब प्लस, so plus means it is telling fourth integer. Fourth matlab +4. So -4 plus 4 will give you 0. So the correct answer for this particular question will be 0. So remember, fill in the blanks. First one is negative, second one is +1, third one is 0, fourth one is positive, and the last one is 0 here. Thank you very much.